Hey, good afternoon, everyone. I'm Charles Payne. This is Making Money. Okay, a little roughed up there. Let me just give you a little bit of my take here in this market. First of all, of course, the chips are down. They're down big time, right? These are some big moves. And all of those cliches about chips being down, they've been around for a century, kind of come to mind. I will say this one, with this particular one, I'm not quite sure what Frank Yarby meant when he said about freezing up quicker than a wink. But there's certainly no doubt that there's an Arctic breeze flowing right now through the chips. Also, the AI trade in general, right? Even though the value proposition seems to become more attractive, every time there's great news, they seem to go down recently. I know you're frustrated. So let's begin. Korea, the selling, Samsung, they posted. I didn't get back the data yet, but I'm thinking it's one of the best quarters in history. Maybe it's certainly in the top best, right? 89.4 trillion won, that means 57, let's call it $58 billion. By the way, 3 months of business, $58 billion, that's their profit, folks. So looking at the big picture, the magnitude of the decline is more than maybe reasonable considering how far we've come. It's tough, right? If you look from 670 to 570 in a blink of an eye, that's a lot, right? But again, considering how far semiconductors have come in general, maybe not bad. I know it's unnerving, but not the worst thing in the world. Now, here's the good news. The money fleeing the sort of Grand Slam winners of 2026, not heading to the dugout, folks, heading to other parts of this market. This is about an hour ago. You've got, look at all these sectors up: energy, real estate, utilities, healthcare, consumer staples, communications, financials. Even inside technology, we got green, big time green on software, right? So this is the stuff we're talking about. The fact of the matter is that while there has only been one major pullback this year, heading into the week, the average stock has endured some pretty big drawdowns, right? For the overall market, 23%, your average member, that's your maximum drawdown year to date. These are big time moves. These are all bear market moves. So we haven't had a bear market, but there's been some rolling catastrophes out there. So the eagerness to call this a top, to me, is somewhat confusing. But on days like this, believe me, the naysayers lay it on thick. Trillions of dollars, folks, trillions will be poured into this AI trade. And this, by the way, is only a portion of the fourth industrial revolution. Yes, hot stocks are getting slammed, which means, though, the good news is that beaten down names are finally getting their day in the sun.